Is your thinning hair prematurely aging you? Are you seeing scalp where there used to be hair? Don't let your hair loss take over. Take control with HairMax, the first home-use laser light device clinically proven to regrow hair.
You see the results with HairMax. My confidence is back.
HairMax delivers nourishing laser light energy to help restore your natural hair growth cycle and regrow hair.
You can see like this much hair growth up and through here, and it's all filled in. It just is awesome.
Look at these dramatic results of actual HairMax users.
I recommend HairMax to my patients who are looking to reverse the thinning process without the side effects of medications and with an excellent safety profile.
HairMax is accredited with 7 clinical studies and 8 FDA clearances. Give your thinning hair maximum care. Call 1-800-9REGROW or visit tryhairmax.com for your exclusive TV offer. Don't wait until it's too late. Start regrowing your hair today.